What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another What's in My Laptop Bag 2.0. Let's check it out. First thing first, though. So, I'm a fan of Copac, and this has been my laptop bag for probably the past 6 months or so. It's been great. I've had no complaints with it. It's cut-proof material, double zippers, double stitching, you name it. It has it, secret compartments, everything. But in the past few months, I've been getting so many different gadgets. I had to upgrade. So this bag is a little bit bigger. It comes from Copac. Now, as you can see, you don't notice any zippers. That's because all of the zippers on here are hidden. Now, this comes in two colors. It comes in this gray black, and it also comes in the gray like the other one I just showed you. But same cut-proof material. Let's turn it around. Check this out. So, still got this same great 3M padding on the back. But on this bag, you get a little extra protection. You get shoulder padding for up top, and you get lower back padding on your back. This case also does not come with the little O-rings, but this is continuous. So you don't have to worry about it coming out of there or coming out of here. It's a continuous lanyard. You don't have to worry about that. Nice design. Let's flip this. You got your Copac branding right here. This is travel friendly. You can put this on your suitcase, briefcase, roll it through the airport. Now, let's talk a little bit about some of these compartments. Let's start with the outside. You notice we do have a USB charger right down here. Battery pack is going to go inside. We'll talk about that later. Secret compartment number 1. You can put your wallet, credit card, debit card. Over on the other side, secret compartment number 2. Anything you want to put in there. Sunglasses, shades, glasses case. Now, going right here, secret pocket number 3. Anything you need to store. These are nice deep pockets, and it's also padded, so you don't have to worry about things getting broken behind here. There's going to be some cushion. Secret pocket number 5 down bottom. Now, this is one of the best parts that I like about this case, because this pocket holds the waterproof bag. This case comes with its own waterproof bag. Now, the case itself is waterproof, but this waterproof bag just seals the deal. You get a Copac weatherproof bag. Stays in here, hooked onto this clip. I'm not going to undo that right now. I'm going to take this out though, sit it to the side. I'll put that bag on a little later just to show you how it fits. We got all those closed up. Now let's explore the inside. One of the best parts about this case is the actual hidden zipper. So if you have this on your back, nobody can come up behind you and unzip your bag from the outside, because the zippers are going to be in here. Your arms are going to be in here. This is going to be pressed up against your back. The zippers are going to be right here. Nobody can get in this bag unless you want them to. Now, I already have it unzipped. This bag has a 90-degree release. So if you undo on the inside, boom, there you go. You get 90 degrees of goodness. It opens all the way up. Now, a few compartments on the inside. We got laptop up here. We got tablet in here. Remember we talked about that nice padding. It's padded behind there. That's going to be on your back. On the inside, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 holders for pencils. You got a pocket up here. Whatever you need to keep in there. Wires, cords, pocket right here. Chargers, hard drives, USB plug in here. We're going to put our battery there. I want to go ahead and put my battery in. I have a battery here. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It has 2 USB chargers on it. It is also wireless charging compatible. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. This is going to be my dedicated pocket right there for that charger. Okay, flipping it around, you have pockets here, pockets here. You have the zippers here on the inside. We already talked about those. Pocket here, pocket here. You have tons of hidden little secret pockets. Anything that you want to carry in here, you can put in there. Now, just for demonstration, I'm going to load this up and show you exactly what I mean by that. So now that we got this packed up, let's see everything that I was able to fit inside. Starting back here, I was able to get my MacBook, my iPad Pro 11-inch, Nintendo Switch for gaming on the go, Apple Pencil up top, regular pencil with a stylus point branded by Orsley right there. This USB charging cable that I have now, this cable came from RoboQi, and this cable has iPhone, micro USB, and USB Type-C all on one. So all you need is this plus a charging adapter, which I have in the bag, and you're good to go with any of your devices. Most of my devices are USB-C to C. So this is the Apple charging brick that came with my iPad Pro. Regular headphones, just when my AirPods don't work. We got our battery already in there. Charging brick for my MacBook computer. This is a USB Type-C hub for data on the go. You can access any of these by plugging them in right here through this USB-C outlet. Also, for using your data on the go, this is a hard drive. Now, we don't have the big bulky hard drives anymore. This is a SSD T5 from Samsung, 500 gigs of space on the go. So all of these devices were able to fit in this bag very comfortably. I was able to get all this stuff in there, plus it still has more space because remember I showed you all the little secret pockets, so I can get tons more things in here. I can put cell phone, everything else, but basically I wanted to give you just a preview of the things that you could get in it, because I mean MacBook, tablet, gaming console, extra chargers, extra bricks, big charger down here, hard drives, USB Type-C hubs, the list goes on and on of the things you can put in here. Last thing I want to do is I want to actually zip this up. Now also remember you have this stainless steel double zipper on here. I'm gonna zip that up. Slide some of that stuff out of the way, and I actually want to put the waterproof casing on so I can show you how that works. Waterproof casing is right here. Here we go. Now let's find that Copac branding right here. Copac right there. This goes up. It matches up with this brand right here. There you go. Your bag is protected from all types of water. Rainwater, splash water, whatever kind of water. Tsunami water, not tsunami water. But your bag's gonna be protected. Like I said, the bag under here is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any of your devices getting wet. But this just gives you an extra layer of protection, peace of mind that nothing will get wet in your bag. One last thing I forgot to talk about when I was going over the real estate, it has these rubber grips on the bottom. So you're able to sit this on the floor without it sliding or falling over. It's going to stand up real nice and neat for you, just like it's been standing up on this table right here. So this has been my little review of this bag. This is a laptop bag from Copac. I call it a gadget bag because all of my gadgets will fit in here, everything that I have. And as my gadgets grow, I have to grow with my gadgets. This is an awesome bag. I'm really appreciating the company. They have good products. What more can I say? Hope this is able to help someone. Oh, I'll leave a link below. These bags are going for about 40 to 45 bucks on Amazon. So go pick you up one. I'll be sure and leave that link below. You know what to do. Leave that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.